Welcome guys to another episode. We are at, where are we at? Carbon Canyon. Here we go. I'm gonna throw a couple things out there.
PJ Masks, Daddy.
That is right. Go right here, Micah. Go right here. Your body. Patience, patience. I saw people touching fish.
Look at this, creates more live action. See how it bursts? Dad, I want throw it out there.
All right, come here, bring it. All right, Micah caught a live bait on a little, and we're gonna throw it out there. Leave it out there. Throw it far. Good, just leave it right there.
Drags too tight.
There we go. Let's see.
Oh no, stop! Okay, my dad caught one. You caught it on the crack and crawl.
Woo! That's a nice one. That thing slammed it, bro.
I want to fish for those now. I caught a bass.
Nice. Look in his mouth.
Touch it. I never touched a
You want to touch it?
before.
Awesome. Grab my phone, man.
It's so slimy. Okay, Daddy, can I lip it now? I want to.
I gotta get the picture.
All right, my dad's gonna take a picture.
I gotta make it look bigger than it is.
All right.
Nice. All right, you gonna let it go? It has some sharp teeth.
It's been feeding on bait fish.
All right, Mike is gonna let it go.
Oh, he's ready.
A fish is, Micah, I think you got it. Oh, never mind.
Oh, Dad! Set the hook!
Oh, shit.
I want to reel it in.
Hold on, I got it.
Let me. It's the wrong way.
Tighten him up, tighten him up, tighten him. Oh, shit. Go the other way, come on. It's a big one. Go there. Let it go, let it go, let it go.
It's too loose.
Nah. It's still on there.
Let me.
Hold on, I got you. I got you. It's big.
Why is it so big?
It's still on there. Leave it alone. Leave it alone.
I was gonna grab it. Okay, let me reel it in.
Hold on. We got him.
Let me reel it in. You're not letting me reel it in.
Hold on.
You're reeling it in.
Relax.
He's still on.
Yeah, keep it up. Keep it up.
He's stuck. Or she's stuck.
Yeah, let it go. Let it go.
I said, ow. Wait.
You need to relax.
You're gonna snap it.
Come on. Can you bring that one in? The green one. Damn. I know he's still on there. No, it's a fish. It was pulling, but it's snagged now. Yeah. Damn it. He'll come out.
You have to wait it out or break out.
Now breaking.
That already happened to me once.
Yeah. I don't think I should use this. That's why I was doing that, because I know it goes into the grass.
Yeah, look, he's pulling.
Excuse me, sir. What you use?
Night crawlers for this one. But I'm also using lures too. I caught one off of like a little green night crawler. He's coming out. Get ready to get him.
I'll grab it from you. And you were still holding on to it when...
Yep, he's still on there. I think it's a catfish.
Oh yeah, he's gonna come up there.
Yep, something.
It has to be a bass or a catfish.
Oh, it's a big one. It's a bass. It's a big ass bass.
I'll grab it.
Got him?
No.
Come on, get him, man. Put your finger in his mouth.
Let's go!
Yeah, baby!
Ow! Let's go! No, it's my fish!
Yeah, baby, that's a PR right there.
That's a PB, you mean?
Whatever.
I think it's a PR.
A personal record.
PB. Personal best.
Let me see that. Let me see that.
It's heavy. That's a hefty 3 pound, bro.
Chill.
Pound, bro. PB.
Up the night
No,
crawler.
that's not my PB. That's your PB. I caught a 4 pounder.
Man. Look at that. Where's my phone, Mania? Give me my phone. Ew.
Ew.
Here, Mike, take a picture of me.
I'm taking it. I took a picture.
Awesome. You're going to let him go?
Yeah, because
Woo!
I caught him.
Here. Oh.
Whoop, there he goes.
There he is.
Oh. I think I can catch him on the
No. Let him go. You might be able to catch him.
Daddy.
Yes, babe.